This plant was against the backdrop of most of the plants in Slovenia. They were backed on agricultural crops, silage, maize silage, manures as their feedstocks, which you have to pay as a material. The price of silage in the region had significantly increased, and ultimately that was the downfall of these types of plants. When we stepped into the Dobrovnik plant, it was basically a repossession. Everything that you see around the plant is just left as it was. Parts missing off the engines, through to growing plants in the top of the post-digester. As you can see how this is a dry crust that's forms on the top of the digester. So we've been in and broken those down. But with the pre-preparation technology that we employ, we won't have any of this digestate material in a large form like this moving forward when everything is commissioned and running properly. Ourselves as to where we think we want to position things. The big thing that we've done within the plant is work through and understand everything is where it should be. It was left with no drawings or no instruction books, no computers. So we've brought all of those back together now and have a full working knowledge of the plant as it stands and how we want to bring the plant back online. We come to the operation with a different mindset. It's about the biology, reducing the residence time in the digesters, and also yielding the maximum amount of energy that can be gained from those feedstocks. We are producing a small amount of gas and putting a small amount of electricity into the grid, and that will carry on at that lower rate for the next 6-8 weeks until we get the pre-preparation equipment installed, and then we'll take it up to the 1.5 megawatts. But the plant itself is actually built to produce 3 megawatts, and there are 3 megawatts of engines here, but we need to upgrade the grid connection so that we can actually put 3 megawatts into the grid. Clean energies and RARE are in discussions continually, looking at further opportunities where we can take what we've learnt in a very, very short space of time and look to roll that out into potentially other projects in Slovenia, other projects across Europe, other projects across the UK.